Hello everyone! Great news! Starting November 10th, Mr. Worker is launching exclusive Black Friday deals dedicated to Facom. Take advantage of exceptional discounts on the brand's premium tools and workshop equipment, designed for professionals in the automotive and aerospace industries. Facom is a true icon in the world of professional hand tools. Since its origins in France, the brand has been synonymous with innovation, precision, and excellence. Recognized as one of Europe's leading manufacturers, Facom supplies tools to top-tier clients in automotive and aerospace, including Airbus, McLaren, and Air France, meeting the most demanding technical standards. Don't miss the chance to equip yourself with Facom at special prices during this Black Friday season. Explore the complete Facom catalog available on Mr. Worker during our Black Friday event. Discover precision-engineered wrench sets, durable ratchets and sockets, and versatile tool and automotive sets built for professional environments. Upgrade your workshop with Facom roller cabinets, designed for efficient storage and mobility. Experience the precision and reliability of Facom tools, with discounts of up to 50%. Visit MrWorker.com to explore all the Facom Black Friday offers, and bring professional-grade performance to your workshop.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.